Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Today I've got a really nice 2014 Harley Davidson Ultra Limited that I want to show you. This bike's got the 103 motor and the 6-speed. This one's got two-tone paint. It's called Mysterious Red and Blackened Cayenne. Both a metallic paint. Sun's not out very good today, so you can't really see the flake in it. It's got a real fine flake. It looks good in the sunshine. This one's got liquid cooled heads, chrome front end, real nice aluminum spoke mag rims, good tire on the front. Fender looks nice. It's got just a couple of little looks like a couple of little rock pecks on it. You just really can't even hardly see them there. Daymaker headlight and spots. It's through the fairing vent here on the 2014s. It's also had got upgraded mirrors on it, chrome levers, switch housings, 8 hangers of steel braided lines and cables, full instrumentation, touch screen, large touch screen there. Bike's got real good miles on it, 4,269 miles. It's got anti-lock brakes, AM FM on that touch screen. That's a weather band. It can it does all kinds of goodies there. Let the sales guys tell you all about that. Here it's got a place for your MP3 player, iPhone, whatever, it's USB port right there. Full onboard electronics between rider and passenger. It's got heated hand grips. Fire it off and let you listen to it. Chrome luggage rack. It's got a CB radio. Good tire on the rear. True dual exhaust. It sounds real nice. We ran it through the shop and checked it out to make sure everything's in good shape for you. 2014, they put these single-handed lid latches on the bags, so that makes it really easy to get in and out of. Tour pack looks good. Got a 12-volt port back here for charging your goodies. Looks like this one's got a race tuner on it. Screaming Eagle race tuner with that exhaust. This thing will probably get up. I didn't take it out on the road. I did ride it around right here around the shop. Runs real good. Looks like there might be a little bitty mark right there on the tank. Everything else looks pretty good. Might be a little rock chip right back here on that bag. I don't know if you can see it. Maybe a little small one right there in that stripe. Yep. A lot of this is, I think it's wax that didn't come off. That might be a little, well, that came off. This one right here, that may be a little tiny peck. She's in nice shape. If you'd like to know more about it, call our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151. They can tell you all about it. Qualifies for some excellent financing and extended warranties. You can see our complete inventory online at cleanharleys.com. take almost anything in on trade. We sell and ship bikes all over the world, so it'd be easy to get this one to you. This is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.